The notification issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read. Federal Administration Department, Government of Mizoram, dated Aizol the 20th of October 2021. Notification. In the interest of public service and in exercise of powers conferred by provisions of subsection 3 of section 15 of the Right to Information Act 2005, the Governor of Mizoram is pleased to appoint Pu Lalnunmawia Chuaungo, IS, as the State Chief Information Commissioner in the scale of pay of rupees 2,25,000 fixed per month with allowances as admissible under the said Act, with effect from the date on which he enters upon his office. The terms and conditions of service of the above-mentioned person as such will be governed by the terms and conditions as laid down in Section 16 of the said Act and the rules made thereunder. The appointment is made against the sanctioned post of the Mizoram State Chief Information Commissioner, created by notification number F.13011/4/2005-IPR, dated 21/6/2006. With your permission, sir, oath of office may now be administered to the State Chief Information Commissioner.
I, Lalnunmawia Chuaungo, having been appointed State Chief Information Commissioner, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
With your permission, sir, the proceedings may now be concluded. Shall we rise for the national anthem, please?
kanin kan zui chuak ngal me nga thingpui in treu turin kan in so me ona khan than la dona reilo te kan hak zep don nia alak chung
Last process.